If you ever think your girlfriend don't got a side nigga or a nigga that she know is next up, you sadly mistaken, my brother. So if you get in a relationship, watch out. They are dirty Mac by telling you what the other girl got going on behind closed doors. Like, you know she got a boyfriend, or you know she got kids, or something like that. Don't try to talk to a female who's not interested in you. I believe in mutual interest. I'm not finna try to persuade no female to like me. If you don't like me already, bye.